Hello, my name is Melissa Besson, and I will be talking to you about child abuse in Greene County, Missouri. Child abuse rates in Greene County, Missouri rank amongst some of the highest child abuse rates in the United States. Child abuse is defined as physical maltreatment or sexual molestation of a child. Child abuse happens too often in the United States, and especially in our own area of Greene County, and there's many things that we can do to help prevent it. The first thing is being aware, the second thing is being educated, and the third thing is taking action. I will help to show you how to do all three of those things in this video. The population in Greene County is 275,174 people. Of those people, 91% of the population is white, 3% of the population is Hispanic or Latino, and 3% of the population is black. The rest of the population is made up from other races. You'll see many homeless people in Greene County. The poverty rate is at 16.5%. The median household income is $41,908, and most people are receiving benefits, whether it be Medicaid or income housing, to help them just make it through. You'll see children who are homeless, families who are homeless, and single people who are homeless. The Missouri Department of Social Services in Southwest Missouri had reported 11,834 child abuse cases in 2008. That was more than the surrounding areas of St. Louis and Kansas City put together. That number dropped to 9,092 in 2009. 2,637 children are still in foster care in Greene County. And of those 2,637 children, most of them are 10 years old or younger. Child abuse is something that is preventable and something that we should not just turn a blind eye to. You can see it in your grocery stores, you can see it being done by parents or family members, and it is your job to speak up and call a hotline or to help in any means necessary. If you are looking for places that help, the Child Advocacy Center provides advocacy to abused children and makes sure to put them first. 991 children were seen in 2017 from sexual abuse cases in Greene County. Another place that will provide good resources for helping children is the Victim Center. The Victim Center provides counseling and education for prevention of child abuse, and it also advocates to children. Anything that they need, they are put first, and if the parents aren't sure what's going wrong, they are educated on how to better take care of their children. Another place in Springfield, Missouri that can help is called CASA. It's a court-appointed special advocate for children. They follow up on cases of child abuse and help get children adjusted to their new foster homes, as well as looking for permanent foster homes for children who have been bounced around many times. Child abuse is preventable. Child abuse does not have to be a statistic that we live with, and we have the power to end it. Please help us.